Good evening, traders. Welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout. Welcome. Hopefully you guys had a solid day today. I'm excited to be here with y'all. What a time to be a freaking alive, boys. Yeah. Let me make sure. Oh, I gotta fix that camera there. Let me fix that little camera. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna fix that camera there. It's too far down. Let me post this in the chat as well. Let's get it going. There we go. Chat is working beautifully. Hopefully all of us had a good day today, because it's been a busy one over here. I'm gonna get this eventually right. All right, there we go. That's better. All righty. How did we do today in the markets, family? How did we do? Were we up? Were we down? Were we all around? What was it today? Once we get some more folks in here, I have a confession to make tonight. What's up, Rob? How you doing tonight, brother? Sit in the hot tub. Yeah, I know Brendan wants a hot tub. I was going to buy her the one, but they didn't have any more at Sam, so one day she'll have one. What's up, Adam? Finally, my Egyptian brother's in the chat. About time, fam. Where you're at over there, are you by like the pyramids and stuff or no? Adam, everything's good, bro. Living the dream. Just got off the training call with the builders and legacy family members 30 minutes ago, so we're here back again. F that blow up one, man. You gotta get the real one. The blow up ones, you gotta. Well, I wonder how much hot tubs actually are, because we got this whole area right there. Oh.
The one that I want was actually 4. Because that's the only
Yeah.
for like Facebook Marketplace. But again, I don't know nothing about them, so to buy it off
Yeah.
Marketplace, it could have a hole in it. The heater could not work. And I was thinking, because we're thinking about moving out of the country.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the perfect spot. Rob, we know, bro. We know. Having my laptop on the back of a camel next to the pyramid trying to make money on NQ. Adam, you're living the dream, fam. You're living the dream. I feel like that training call gave me a glimpse of what you looking for in the market. I appreciate that. Well, Jose, I appreciate you tuning in tonight for that training call. Next week's call will be a little bit more dialed in. Like, I enjoyed the call with everybody, but I saw certain things I needed to fix as well. So I'll probably do another call next week so we can re-record it and get that one posted in the vault as the go-to training for the builders, everything like that. But I'm glad it gave you a glimpse. But I want you seeing the full picture, you know what I'm saying? I want you seeing the full picture, understanding it, so you can execute. How did we do today, family? How did we do today? If y'all weren't in the training tonight, you missed out. It was a good old time teaching my strategy and learning more about y'all and helping you guys elevate and level up. That's what it's about, bro. Like, the trainings are made and are being formed in such a way where you will be able to think exactly how I think in the markets. It's supposed to unlock your brain to think like me a little bit. Your boy got chopped. Since we got enough people in here, your boy made a boo-boo today after the stream this morning. Full transparency. I told my trainer, he's like, are you going to tell them? I'm like, bro, I always tell them. Like, there's no fake over here. I'm fully transparent. So today after the stream, I was working on my computer and I had the chart pulled up and your boy took another trade that he shouldn't have. And I gave the profits back today. So not happy about that. But I'm telling you to let you know it happens to everybody, so you're not alone. You know what I'm saying? If you've ever given money back to the market makers, don't feel as bad because every trader does it here and there. And I realized I gotta be okay making sure I walk away, even with small profits. Profits are better than no profits. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow I got a base hit like usual and just climb out of the little predicament I put myself in. But it is what it is. And I'll actually get ready to pull up so we can see what news we got tomorrow. It's crazy that tomorrow's April 29th. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, well, that market's doing what it's doing. Let me pull up, click the wrong button there, but okay. So I can show y'all what news we got for tomorrow. We're gonna look at it together, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's look at the news here. So April 29th here. Let me scroll down here. We got 8:30 news. We have 8:30 news. Let's see what else we got. We got 9:45 news for Canada. So that won't really affect us. 8:30 and 10:30 for the US. And then we got 2 o'clock news, the Fed. So tomorrow at 2 o'clock, the Fed's come out with rates, all that stuff. So that means the market's going to be moving around 2:30-ish, 3. That's when the market's really going to do the pop. Do not full port funded accounts tomorrow. Do not full port funded for the Fed stuff tomorrow. If you're going to full port it, only do evals, never funded accounts. Save yourself some heartache. Is anyone trading tonight? Is anyone actually currently in the markets? All right. So I put my little yellow line there. We're pushing through it currently. I don't like that previous selling wick though. That's the only thing that has me like slightly like, But this is somewhat of a bull flag right here. I just don't like that selling wick. Like I just said, definitely stay safe in the markets. Jose, so if I was trying to play super safe, I would go at the top of that previous candle wick right there. Because by putting at the top of that wick, right, that means you pass all the selling pressure. So it's a little bit safer to take a long. But in this situation as well, you have to make sure you have the follow through, since that previous candle had that big selling wick. And for the structure of the flags, Jose, it honestly just varies on how the market's moving. Because sometimes, right, we'll have a flag, like right here, we cleared that previous candle wick, so that would be the follow through on the long. But I would expect us to get up here, and then since this is the Asian session, build some structure right here for another one. But the structure of the flag, how many candles are in there for the structure, will just vary on market conditions. Because sometimes you'll get a bull flag with one candle in there as the structure, and then it pops. Others you may have like three candles that are structure. It just depends. So how did you do that, Judge? Where to expect us to get to? Just my eyes, to be honest with you, bro, because if we're going to be printing bull flags, right, and we're going up, so we have this wick up here, we can pull it down to that wick, and hopefully we get structure, and then we pop through that one. But I don't want us coming through this bottom yellow line too far. And mind you, I don't have the wrinkles pulled up, so I'm not watching momentum right now. I'm just looking at flag structure. So right here, I'd be hoping that the bulls would try stepping in to push this higher. Brent, slow and steady, brother, slow and steady. But hey, I'm proud of you, right? I'm proud of you because you didn't get the result you wanted, but you told yourself you're done for the day. That alone will save you so much time and money trading, bro. That alone will save you so much time and money when it comes to trading. Knowing when to walk away is the best thing that every trader needs to learn how to do. Brent, listen, I understand wanting to see that action, bro. Listen, this is going to be the best ride of your life, right? But just know as well, Rome wasn't built in a day. Remember that. You're going to base it. Were you trading micros or minis? Were you trading micros or minis? Minis? Okay. Well, if you're trying to just get the like feel of everything, you may want to drop down on those micros just so you can get your feet wet and like learn the strategy in real time, you know what I'm saying? So that way then once you feel comfortable, then you up it to your minis so you can start stacking that way. But I'm excited for you. Breezy, you skipping FOMC tomorrow? Yes and no. So I work out from 1, normally around 12:30, 1 o'clock-ish. If I'm back in time, like the market's going to start moving around 2:30, 3 o'clock-ish. That's when the market's going to really be moving. If I do trade it, I will be only trading evals. You go to indicators and go to pivot point standard. Breezy, I wouldn't skip the morning session. It may be kind of choppy, but there should be a couple plays you could get. Just gotta see how the market's moving. So the candles are below the orb. So Jose, I wasn't even looking at the overnight high or anything like that, right? So what I was looking for, right? Like right here, this could be, I don't like that wick up there, right? So if we didn't have that wick, this right here could be a potential little bull flag right here. But I don't like that wick on that candle right there. Hey, Warrior, welcome back, bro. Well, you got good luck, bro. Not everybody can say they can have an accident and make money. Congratulations on your win. Hey, bro, I'm feeling bad. Made a loss yesterday. How do you make yourself feel better? Listen, Brenda's over here laughing, by the way. Oh, I thought you were laughing. Because, well, how do you make yourself feel better? Listen, losing freaking sucks, first off. Let's get that out of the way. Losing a trade, losing capital in a eval, funded, or a live account freaking sucks, right? But the only way to overcome it is knowing your stats, right? So if you trade and you're a profitable trader in the markets, you win more than you lose, just fall back on your stats. Like, so for me personally, I'm an 82% win rate trader, right? With that being said, when I have a losing day, when I do something stupid like over trade and I get mad because the strategy wasn't wrong, I was the one wrong in the situation, I fall back on my numbers. Like, hey, I win more than I lose. Tomorrow's a new day, right? So normally if I have a loss, right? I had a loss today, believe it or not, after the stream. I'm normally irritated and annoyed for the first couple hours because I'm just thinking about the stupidness that I just did in the markets. And then the way I get over is I remind myself, tomorrow's a new freaking day. It doesn't matter if you lost today or yesterday. Tomorrow you have a clean slate. So when you come to the markets knowing each and every day you have a clean slate, that's when you'll get the results you truly want. All right, coming down to that 21 EMA right there. If we get below that 21, we'll go down, swipe that pivot, and most likely swipe that I meant the VWAP and then the pivot. So if we swipe that VWAP, we'll swipe that pivot as well. $10.30. It's a weekday. Huh? Go to McDonald's.
No. I said I used my.
Oh, I didn't hear that part. My bad.
Never once said I was trying.
Thank you, Brandon. You know, when you're like, yeah, I understand that feeling when you're so close to passing, you kind of push too hard, you end up losing more than you want. So in those situations, just slow it down, bro. You'll get it, Scucks. And I understand feeling guilty. I felt guilty the past 2 days. Yesterday, I made like, what was it? Yesterday was like $4,000, $5,000, something like that. And I still felt guilty because I knew yesterday I broke some of my rules. And then today I broke rules after the stream and pissed myself off. Do you recommend prop firms? Yes, I highly recommend prop firms. BP, where were you at, bro? I missed you on the training tonight, bro. I recommend Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, and Apex. That is not glass. That's a pool that you're looking at. That is not glass. You're welcome. All right, so right here, we have a predicament, right? We may try building a little bear flag right there. Let me move these lines out. But for me, we're gonna build that bear flag. I'm gonna move this line all the way down here under this pivot. If I'm trying to take a short, I wanna get below that pivot point before I take a short. So that way we could clear that VWAP, clear that pivot, and then take it lower. BP, you and me both, bro. You and me both. For all the new folks in here, welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout, your go-to daily night stream where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. Welcome. These streams are not only the Traders Hangouts for the Legacy Wealth Society members, but they're also the hangout for all you YouTube subscribers as well. Welcome to tonight's stream. Need you to do a couple things for me. For all the new folks in here, let me know where you're tuning in from. Your boy loves to see how far these streams are reaching because these streams are global. Yes, they are global. Then after that, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that sub button. The like button will help YouTube push these streams further. It's free to do that. So go help your boy out. It's free 99. Then hit that sub button so you're always notified every time we go live, since we go live every night of the week for the Traders Hangout and every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, to print the New York session live with you guys in the markets. Welcome to tonight's stream. Hopefully you're enjoying. What were you gonna say, baby? You're gonna say something, no?
Why? What world do you think I'm talking to?
No clue. I guess I live in a world where I think my girl wants to talk to me. My bad.
I don't know.
I'll stay in my bubble over here. My bad. My bad. What's up, Trust?
I'm literally watching Madeline.
Emmanuel, welcome, bro. Appreciate you tuning in. This is the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ. So I'm going to put that line there. That's just to see if we get that flag. And then I'm going to put a line down there as well. Do you use candle closures? I normally like to watch when they close, but I don't use candle closures. I trade bull flags, bear flags only with momentum. Only with momentum. Did we close that gate? Oh God.
All set, baby. Open, close, lock, safe.
Thank you, baby. Come through. What's the win rate on the strategy? 82%. It's not 100%, I'm sorry. Did that waterfall right after our class? Oh, let's see. Pretty close, bro. All right, yeah, we're getting this bear flag right here. We are getting this bear flag. It's trying to. It is trying to. Are you expecting big red tomorrow? We're going to see, bro. I don't try planning or anticipating what the market's going to do. I simply react to the patterns that we use with my strategy to print. My risk to reward ratio varies, bro. Honestly, I'm willing to risk $1,000, to be honest with you, per trade. With that being said, sometimes if I don't like how it's moving, I'll close early, to be real with you. I'd rather take the green and then get out than not get anything. Which indicators are you using, I'm assuming? So I use the pivot point, the VWAP, and the 21 EMA. And on this screen right here, that also has the orb on it as well for the first 15 minutes of the New York session, because I like waiting for that range to be completed. Hey Duane, following your trading is hard. I'm not a pro. Help me to follow you. Well, make sure you hit the sub button and follow. It's very simple. That's a dad joke, my bad. Sorry about that. He says hard to follow, and make sure you hit the sub. Get it? To follow? Anyways. Brendan was like, what did you say? Okay, cool, man. So on 1,000, how much would be conservative to take profit? I'm willing to take profit anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per trade. Yeah, we definitely don't come here for your jokes, bro. Rob, I'm surprised, bro.
Who said that?
That's Rob.
Rob who?
From the hot tub.
Oh, Rob. Oh, yeah, Rob. Yeah, I feel you, Rob. Trust Rob.
Peanut calorie over there, calm down, all right?
Rob, listen, I just gotta
They can't hear you, you're too far away.
No, they can hear me. I just gotta laugh as in, and he thinks I'm laughing with him, but I'm laughing at him, you know?
Dang. So I want to get below that pivot point for me personally to want to take a short. Warrior, this fire goes year round, brother. Year round, bro. Pleasure meeting you tonight on the training as well. That's a good mic. We can hear everything, Jose says. Like I said, I want to get below the pivot before I would be trying to take a short. We got too much in this small little area right here for me to feel comfortable just taking a short. I'm normally trying to take 1 to 2 trades per day on the accounts. Are you on? You're on the stream, so I think we're on. The white indicator, are you talking about the little line down here? Let me see, that white indicator, that's just the close. That's showing the close from the New York session. All right, getting a reaction off that 21 EMA in that VWAP area right there. But, mind you, I was looking for a short, right? So right now, I don't care that it popped up because we did not go below my yellow line down here below the pivot, so I would not take a short. Warrior, I feel that, bro. It was toasty out today. But I sit out here next with the fire in the water for y'all. Because it will get muggy eventually, and I'll still sit out here for y'all. So, right? So we just did this little push-up. Cool. Not mad about it. I like prop firms better than personal funds. It's a way to protect personal capital. All right, so we're starting to shoot up here, right? But I could draw this. Yeah, I'll draw it. This isn't what I was looking for, right? But we didn't take that, right? And that's okay. We're gonna wait because it always repeats itself, right? I'll look for a flag like up here in this area. Let me pull this line up. And we just wait. That's the whole thing with trading, right? It's a waiting game. We can't rush this, right? We ourselves may rush, but we don't control the markets. We literally have to wait for the markets to do what the markets want to do. For all the new folks in here, welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout, your go-to daily night stream where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Welcome, family. This is the Hangout also for the Legacy Wealth Society members, my private trading community, which is free to join, by the way. For all the new people here, let me know where you guys are tuning in from. These streams are global. I love to see how far these things are reaching because we got people in here from everywhere. On top of that, don't forget to hit that like button and the sub button. The like button will let YouTube know, keep pushing this thing out to more people like yourself. And the sub button helps you come back each and every day with us for the Traders Hangout every single night of the week. Rain, sleet, or sun, doesn't matter. We're live every night for y'all. And every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, we go live to trade the New York session with the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Welcome, everybody. All right, so we're getting this little pullback right here. Honestly, like right now, like my mind, it's been a day, boys. Like I overtraded after this morning stream. I gave back my profits today and then some. So annoyed with myself with that. It is what it is. But with that massive little pullback right there, we just simply wait. %, NPC. Warrior, I love that, bro. Fat Mag, welcome back. Yeah, this is definitely like learning another language. But when you sit back and use the strategy like you just learned, Warrior, it's like the cheat code. It's the cheat code. Yo, by the way, the Ducks game is on versus Oilers. Hey, let's go. BP, that's when you know you adulted a lot today. When you sit in your car and you just reflect. Like, do I want to walk into my house right now? What's up, Suki? Welcome back. For everyone, if you were not on the training tonight, you missed out. A good training tonight with the Legacy Wealth Society members on all the paid tiers. We're having another training next Tuesday, 7 p.m., where we're going to get it dialed. We're going to go over the strategy. I'm going to give some more insight, everything like that as well. So make sure you're in that room because that's where the winners are at. If you want to win, you got to get around other winners. That's freaking simple. So we're coming back down here. Like right now, we have not got any clean moves yet. No clean moves. We need a clean move. Oh, let's see. Yo, what's good, man? Hope all is well. Curious, where'd you find your broker statements? Doing my due diligence on mentors. And so far, all the phonies don't have any broker statements. LOL. Well, I take live payouts with y'all. So I use that as my proof to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do all my payouts live with you guys. So there's no finagling or fugaziness. Y'all see me request the payout on the morning streams, and you see the money hit my bank account live on the stream. Same day delivery. Bro, BP, that's serious, bro. Whenever I get bit by a horsefly, bro, my body just swells up wherever I got bit. What? Remember when we were out with Cody and them? In the boonies in the woods and I got bit? Yeah, that thing swelled up mad quick.
Yeah, you don't know what you do swell up.
that's all I'm saying. Like, no disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Like, my bad. Huh? Yeah, that's the last time I got bit by a horsefly. Luckily that doesn't happen to me, but I got, that's not fun, bro. All right, we're coming up to my yellow line, right? But I still want to see some structure up here. I would need to see some structure for a flag for me to want to take a trade. And no, I'm not actively trading these night sessions. I trade live with you guys for the New York session because I like the volatility and the faster pace. I hate slowness. That doesn't sound fun, Warrior. That sounds like a headache. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Where we at? All right, let's see if we actually get the structure that I want, right? So let me just slide this line up to the top of that candle right there. Let's see if we start printing a flag here. K Cadet, this is NQ, brother, NQ. This is the 2-minute chart on the NQ. So we got the strong pull right there. This would be like the low end for the structure it could go before it would negate the flag. But I would expect us to push. Get that momentum, take us through that yellow line, that would be the long. But you have to have follow through. Suki, the morning streams, it is moving a whole lot faster, right? But once you can learn how to jump in and jump out quick enough, you will enjoy it way more than the slow and steady stuff for these overnight sessions. So that candle flipped to green. I'm not a big fan. I want that candle to be red. But let's see if we break through here with some momentum. Yeah, like, I feel like the overnight sessions, it's easier to make certain call outs because it's moving so slow. And it lets everybody see it and jump in on it. But I like the fast pace of that New York session. I usually trade in NYPM. Okay. Welcome too, by the way. So currently, this session's high is 294 even there. I honestly want to see some bull flag structure take us higher. Got you. Yeah, Worry. Honestly, you guys got to do what works best for y'all, right? Like I tell everybody on the streams in the morning, do what works best for you. You will notice certain time frames work better for you. You will notice certain sessions work better for you. As a trader, you got to see what works for you, and once you realize what does, you stick to it. I normally do two minis. But I copy trade over 11 accounts at a time. So I'm literally trading, crazy to say, 22 contracts at a time. I know, isn't that crazy? That is kind of wild to say. It's not on one account, but still. I currently have 2 Green Day funded with Top Set. I'm crossing my fingers because I haven't received a payout ever. Well, Fat Mac, do you want to receive the payout, bro? I'll give you the hack of a century for a payout. Let me know in the chat that you want the payout. I'll tell you how to get there. All right, so this may be our push here for the bull flag. Let's clear that previous candle wick. We clear that previous candle wick, we should rip up to that 294. Or at least we would go up to 282. All right, Fat Mac. Well, congratulations on being green for 2 days in your funding account. That's a testament of yourself that you've mastered your psychology for the most part, and you're trending in the right direction. Hold on, let me switch camera angles here. Let me switch camera angles so I can really talk to Fat Mac real quick. All right, bro, listen, Fat Mac, this is for you here. In order for you to get that payout, you need to do this one simple thing. Well, 2 simple things. Number 1, slow down. Let it take as long as it takes to get the payout. That alone will save you time and keep your funded account alive. And number 2, only go for base hits. Do not swing for the fence. You make a couple $100 a day, just take it, walk away, come back the next day. Each day you build. Wins on top of wins, and that's how you get the payouts consistently. That's all you gotta do. We're not guessing. We're not thinking about it. Only base hits, bro. Base hit it. Master that psychology as you're base hitting, and you will get that payout, brother. I'm proud of you. Keep up the great work. What's up, Matt? It's only a losing strategy if you don't have a good strategy. Just saying. Fat Mac, I'm not familiar with the EMA trading strategy, to be honest with you. No, that's not the buffer. That's your goal. So on the evals with Tradeify, you had to make $3 grand in profit. That's only in the eval. Once you get funded, you could literally make $150 a day and request a payout on your 5th day if you do the select 50K account for the 5-day payout cycle. Why would you want to stress every day? Who's stressing every day, bro? I stress very little when it comes to trading. All right, so we got those selling wicks there on those previous candles. I'm not a big fan. Don't do the instant funding. Do not do the instant funding. It's a waste of money. I'm an affiliate of Tradeify. I'll tell you, instant funding is a waste of money. Yeah, man, I have long-term investments that I don't even look at or touch, but I love being in the markets each and every day on the NASDAQ. The reason why, whoever just said, I just read telepathic or whatever, telepathy. I just read your mind. Whoever just said, why is the instant funding a waste of money, Duane? It's very simple. It's a waste of money because one, you could get like 3 accounts for the same price you're paying for 1 account on the 50K select accounts. And then you need like a 20% consistency. So you have to trade it for much longer in order to get a payout if you're not consistent with your trading. So for the average trader, it's a waste of money. So that flag's starting to go, you know what I'm saying? That flag's starting to go. We cleared that previous candle I was talking about, that wick. So I would be targeting, first target for me, I would be trying to, let's see. I'd be shooting for probably like 281.25, 281.25 will be my first target, honestly, for me, if I was trading this. I'm just calling out plays. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But that 281.25 would be my first target. But right now, you're already in the green, right? So technically, you could get out. You're already in green right now. Lock in some profit, wait for the flag to repeat itself and take another trade. Because what? From clearing that wick, 279. So that was almost like 10 points. Almost like 10 points right there. That ain't too shabby. Simple base hit, but that 281, I feel like it's trying to call collect right now. That 281 call and collect. Let's see if we're gonna tap it. We're close. We're close. How does the consistency, if I hit 3K but 70%? No, you don't blow the eval, bro. You don't blow the eval. You just have to trade it longer to get that consistency down to the 40%. User, this is the NQ, bro, NQ. Buy hood tomorrow? Oh, we'll see. Dang, we need less than 200. We need 249 more subs, right? For us to give away another trading standing desk. It's the same type desk I use each and every day during our morning streams. It's a fire desk. I've already given away 2 of them. Every 1,000 subs, I give away another trading desk. So who knows? Make sure you hit that sub. You could possibly win a new trading desk. Dude, when do I get a trading desk? You have to be here for the giveaway of the desk. Yeah, you may have been sub for months, but when we Okay, let me give you the secret on how to win the standing desk, right? You have to be on the stream that we cross the 3K mark or the 1,000 mark every 1,000. Make sure you may not watch for a couple weeks. Just make sure you watch when we're real close to that next 1,000, right? Because I do the giveaway. We do duck races for the giveaway. And then I always jump in the pool after. That's been the thing we've been doing, and we're gonna keep it rolling. I think one of the times I jumped in the pool, Jose in the chat said, don't put out the fire because the water splashed so high, and he's calling me fat all at the same time.
Bro, I just see the fire and the shadow of the fire in the bucket. From the...
Huh? Yeah, you thought it was inside again? Yeah, I was never getting it. Yeah, you gotta be on the stream when we hit that 1,000 mark. And everybody on those streams will get entered in to win the giveaway. It's not hard, you know what I'm saying? It's not rocket science, you know what I'm saying? Just be around when it happens. Bro, I've been at day one. Oh, my bad, Fat Mag. I did not see that. Oh, yes, I was in a trade back when Trump first came out with the tariffs and tweeted it. Yeah, instant 100-something point ripper that blew my account. So I've been there, I've done that, gentlemen. I followed since you had less than 500. Matt D, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you being a regular and a faithful. Make sure you're here when we cross those 1,000 marks so you can be entered in and win the desk, bro. Who knows? This weekend we may have some duck races going on. You never know. So make sure you tune in for the weekend streams as well. Because if you see a duck shirt, just know ducks are getting raced and evals are being given away. Whoa. Calm down. It's just me. It's me. For all the new folks in here, welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout. We do these streams every night of the week, giving you a place to come talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. My name's Duane. I appreciate you tuning in tonight. In the chat below, go ahead, let me know where you're tuning in from. I love seeing how far these streams are reaching because we got people in here from every corner of the world, and I want to know what corner you're tuning in from. I do need you to do something for me, though. That's why we have Bring It In Close right now. Go ahead, hit that like button. Hit that like button. It's free 99. Hit that button for your dog. That lets YouTube know people are enjoying, and they'll push it to more people just like yourself, fellow traders. And then hit that sub button so that way you're always notified every time we go live. We go live every night of the week for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, faithfully every night. Every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, trading the New York session live with you guys and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Whoever just said that, what's the Legacy Wealth Society? That's my private trading community for traders, by traders, helping traders win each and every day in the markets. And guess what? It is free to join. Come join us. We'll love to have you, and welcome everybody. We got Trinidad in the house. Welcome. When you're taking a trade, how would I know when you're in and out? That's a good question. I purposely don't have it plot my entries or exits because I don't want you guys trying to blame me for you taking a bad trade. You know what I'm saying? So when I call out a bull flag or a bear flag, I put a line on that freaking chart, right? And I say, if we go through this line with momentum and follow through, I'm jumping in. Just know, if we go through that yellow line with momentum and follow through, your boy jumped in the trade. That's your warning that I'm going to be jumping in a trade. Hey, what's up, Ark? How you doing, bro? Where's the jet ski at, fam? I've been waiting. My pool's been waiting for the jet ski, bro. Waiting, bro. I'm waiting. My pool's ready for that jet ski. I thought you were going to deliver it and we were going to ride it in the pool. All right, so my yellow line there acted as like some support for that price. Let's see if we continue up here. Let's see if we continue up here. We would need to clear through that yellow line for me to be looking for another long, personally. But that's just me. I'm just a random guy on the internet talking about trading. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully y'all having a good Tuesday night. No, BP, I'll be riding it back and forth. I'll ride it, I'll turn it right back to the other side. I'll probably have to put some more water in the pool. We'll be splashing so much out. But wouldn't that be an epic stream, having a jet ski in the pool? Just saying. Brenda would probably tell me no, but I think it would still be cool. Laugh, I'll get the pool ready. It will be one time. Hey, your boy's waiting, Art. You said you had the jet ski coming, you know what I'm saying? Like, patiently waiting. No, worry, not radio controlled. I want the legit Sea-Doo. I want the legit Sea-Doo in the pool, bro. Don't know how we'll get it out, but we'll push it in. Or it's a free jet ski. All I ask for is one backflip in the pool. Bro, I would love to do a backflip. My body can't do a backflip.
He's saying a free jet ski for a backflip in the pool. I'll break my neck.
Brenda said she'll break her neck right now, do a back. No, he said he was buying me a jet ski like a couple streams back. This is Art from St. Augustine. Oh, let me not name drop where he at. Let me not do that. What's up, Ricardo? Welcome, bro. What is the broker, bro? This is TradingView that we're looking at right now. What's up, everybody? Man, the chat is booming tonight. We got over 56 people in here tonight vibing with us. Hopefully y'all are staying safe in the markets if you're currently trading. Tonight, y'all missed out. We had a training in the Legacy Wealth Society members for the builders, the profit takers, and the market makers. So if you missed that stream, you miss out. We went through my strategy. We were answering questions, getting people real results in a new understanding of the markets so they can execute better. Ark, I'm trying to, bro. I'm trying to make LWS go viral, bro. Who's up today, who's down today, and who's flat today? If you won today, throw a W in the chat. If you lost today, throw that L in the chat. We gotta know who lost today. And if you were flat today, just throw that 0. Throw that 0 in the chat. Just lost 78K. Oh, bro, that hurts. Prop firms or funded personal funds? Yeah, I already answered it. Yes. All right. Zay, he threw a W. Good job, bro. Congrats on winning today. Hey, let's go, Warrior 879. Let's go. Let's go. I would love to take credit for it, but you're clicking the button, bro. Big L, Jeremiah, guess what? Tomorrow's a new day, fam. Take your time. Reset, come back sharper. So we got that 21 EMA right there, right? We got that 21 EMA. Expect us to tap it. And we just did it real quick. Yeah. Yeah. How Brendan said, oh, you're almost at 3K. So yeah, why do you think we put in this work? We do this. You know what I'm saying? All right, sorry to hear that, bro. Yeah, I don't need that jet ski yet, fam. He lost 250K personal funds. I don't need a jet ski right now. The jet ski can wait till next month when you're back in profits.
Send him the cash out. My cash out needs I can help him find it.
What chart is that? This is the 2-minute NASDAQ. 2-minute NASDAQ. Welcome. Trading futures. Well, looking at futures. I'm not trading currently. I trade live with you guys Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, where we execute trades in the market live with you guys, and we print money each and every day. Or you may see me get chopped up if the markets are chopping. You never know. All right, so we're below that 21 EMA right there, right? We're below that 21, and we got that VWAP back down there at like 245, 25. So I'll be looking, maybe we get something in this direction right here to take us down to that VWAP. Dang, this has to be one of our biggest streams yet. We got over 64 people in the stream tonight. Welcome, everybody. Hey, we got 64 people in here, only 24 freaking likes. Hold up, hold the freaking phone, folks. Hey, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead, hit that freaking like button for your boy, man. I go live every night for y'all for the Traders Hangout. I go live every morning for y'all so we can print money in the mornings. So if you haven't already hit that like button, hit that like button. If you haven't already subbed, hit that sub button. We're trying to hit 3K subs so I can give away a trading desk. Do you want a trading desk? I saw that, yeah. So hit the sub button, bro. Let's go. Best show in town. Let's go, Ricardo. I appreciate that, bro. What ticker? This is the NASDAQ. NQ. What's up, Motion? How you been? I've been better, bro. I lost like 10K a day. Traded. But we live to fight another day. We're gonna print some more money. And I'm gonna actually walk away. I'm gonna walk away once we print the money in the morning. Not giving it back. No, no, no. Can you show your trades instead like others are doing? Just saying it can be confusing. Honestly, K Cadet, you can see when I enter a trade because the line comes up on the chart showing where my entry was. I can't do it for you, fam. You learn from these streams, you learn from the morning streams, you can learn that way. Or join the Legacy Wealth Society, it's free to join. Or jump on one of the paid tiers to learn my full strategy. But you see my executions live. Have a good night, Snoop. All right, so right here, this should be my little bear flag. This should be my little bear flag right here. Take us down to the VWAP. Oh, got you, Snoop. I thought you were leaving, bro. So, for all the folks in the back of the room, where are you tuning in from? Let me know in the chat below where you're tuning in from. People are in here from every corner of the world. I want to know what corner you're in. Let me know in the chat. Georgia, we got Georgia in here. Let's go. Those Georgia peaches. Best peaches out there, by the way, too. I gotta give that. We got Ghana in the house, Tennessee in the house. Let's go. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We got a Mississippi boy in here. Welcome. Love to see it. Love to see it, folks. We just printed that little bear flag right there. Like I called out, expect that VWAP to get tapped. That 24575 level, 24575 should get tapped here. And that tap would be the exit if I took that trade. Can you touch water in the pool? I can. But do I want to get up right now? Do you think it's green screen? Is that what it is? Do you think it's green screen? It may be green screen. Brenda's getting ready. No, we don't need to do any of that. So we had that first bear flag. Let's see if we get another one here. We did not tap that VWAP yet. I'll be targeting that VWAP personally. Let's see if we get another flag. We got some floaties behind me. It does look like that to be, it looks like a green screen, bro. Yeah, freaking right, fam. Hold on, let me pull the chat up on my phone. We got people in here thinking we got a green screen. I do have the green lights on, but ain't no green screen. We don't have to do those shenanigans here. All right, pull up the chat. Bro, it's too hot for a fire. It is. It sets the mood, bro. The fire, it sets the freaking mood. All right, for all those that think it's a green screen, right? For all the people that think it's a green screen, I'm gonna take this floaty out of the green screen. You see the water dripping. You see the water dripping. Let me. Y'all heard it and saw that, correct? Y'all saw that? Bro got the pro account, guys. Bro activated. Ark, get out of here, bro. Ark trying to mess with me tonight. Ark trying to mess with your boy tonight. Ark, don't be starting that issue here, bro. We are not doing that, sir. We're not doing that, bro. Relax. Appreciate it, Ricardo. Haha, now we're talking. Does that help you guys? You know what I'm saying? We're getting that another bear flag. The flags always repeat themselves. I don't know how much I got to preach it, but it's the truth. Let's see if we get that pushed back down to that. I want that VWAP. What platform do you use to trade? I use Ninja Trader to execute trades when I'm home. When I'm traveling, I use Tradeovate. And I do all my charting on TradingView. Dang, we only need 300 more views and we'll hit 2K tonight. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You prop firm trade, bro? Carlos White, yes, I prop firm trade, bro. Best way to trade. Best way to trade. There's no reason to risk your own capital since there's prop firms out there that will literally pay you to trade if you do it right. Just saying. What prop firms do you recommend? The $1 million question that everybody always asks me. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Tradeify, I love their freaking dashboard. Their dashboard is the cleanest dashboard ever. So Tradeify, make sure you use code LWS. That helps support the Legacy Wealth Society. And it costs y'all nothing to use the code. It actually gets you 40% off. You're welcome. Then Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading is my number 2 when it comes to prop firms. Lucid Trading is my number 2 for prop firms. Number 3 is Take Profit Trader. And then fourth on the list is Apex. Yeah, it looks suspicious because it's so clean, bro. That's why it looks like glass, right? That thing looks like glass over there. That's hilarious. Yeah, code LWS with Tradeify. That gets you 40% off. Green screen that Lambo, Duane. I wish I could. We are not indoor. We are actually outdoors, believe it or not. For all the other folks in here in the back of the class, make sure you join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's my private trading community helping traders win. I built my community because when I was trying to learn how to trade, I had nobody to freaking talk to. And I felt like, dang, this is very lonely trying to learn by myself. If I feel this way, I'm sure other people feel that way. That's why we created the Legacy Wealth Society. That's why we stream the way we stream, to give you guys a place to get real answers, real results, and to grow with like-minded individuals. Ark, I may have to check that pro plan then, bro. Get the Lambo where I can act like I'm in it, you know what I'm saying? Can you help me stop loan accounts? 100% I can help you. It's actually open. That's why I don't sit out here when it's raining, right? That's why I don't sit out here when it's raining, because it is open. It's just covered with the screen. Everything's screened in so we don't get eaten by the mosquitoes, all the insects, everything like that, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you live, Jay Carlos, you're in Texas. I got a lot of members in Texas, actually. Some of them may be in here. For all my Texas Legacy family members, go ahead, let your name be known. How much is it to join Prentice? It is free to join. It is free to join the Legacy Wealth Society. If you want to learn my personal strategy, get handheld walking through the strategy, answering your questions, everything like that, that's on the lowest tiered plan, paid tier, which is $20. $20 to get my full strategy that I use each and every day live with you guys to print with y'all. Doesn't beat that. AI mosquitoes? No, thank you. No, thank you on that. If you can make, yes, but the way I go with my trading, I could flip the accounts very quickly. What stock is that? That's the NQ, NASDAQ Futures. Welcome. I'm waiting to see if we're going to get this bearish, but we keep getting these buying wicks. So that's like making me not want to take a short. If we get above that 21 EMA right there, then that's where you'd be a little bit more comfortable taking a buy. But right now, I'd be hands off. Where's the link? The link should be pinned. Let me double check for you. Hold on. The link should be pinned to join. Yep, so I pinned the link to join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's, like I said, it's free to join the community. If you want to learn my strategy, everything like that, you can pay for it, but it is free to join the community. Oh, Jay Carlos, you get in the Legacy Wealth Society, bro, on one of the paid tiers, you'll get more than 6, bro, in a year. That's light work, fam. So I trade bull flags, bear flags only with momentum, only with momentum. On the not Warriors plan, on the Builders plan, we do the one class a month where we're going over the strategy and doing the Q&A. But for this, well, technically it'll be, we'll probably have two because next Tuesday we're having another strategy training and Q&A. And I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deep dive on the ring codes as well, showing you how to really spot them like super crisp. But another good thing, Warrior, as well, right now where I'm sitting at, I'm going to make sure you guys get dialed in. Yes, that Builders is only the $20 for the one class a month, but I'm gonna make sure you guys are dialed so that way the month of May could be your best month yet. Huh? I'll let me get off and I'll go. I'm just finished up since, you know what I'm saying? Lots of traction, baby. Lots of traction. Like we don't got Duane from wherever in here tonight, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Whatever. Trim with momentum. So I'm doing bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's the whole thing. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. And I use certain bars to help me spot the momentum so I know when to execute the trade, when not to take the trade, everything like that. If you want to see that portion, you got to come back in the morning and see me trade live. Got you, Ziggs. So we're still below that 21 EMA. So let's see if we tap and maybe reject off of it. Because right here, all right, so we tap, we push through it briefly there. Let's see if we get back below it. If not, this thing may start trying to run up a little bit. This is a lot of structure right here, a lot of structure. Olaf from Colombia, well, welcome. Listen, Manuel, I need you to join the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's free to join. I need more members in Colombia because I forgot to tell y'all. Your boy forgot to tell y'all. Hold on. Let me switch this camera angle so I can really get close and personal. So, oh, whoa. There we go. Let's tap that so it's tracking my face. So one thing I forgot to tell y'all. I'm traveling the globe this year, going to a new country or state every single month of the year, visiting Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers. Why? Because I want to show you guys that this is real. When I pull up to your city or state or country, we vlog it, we stream it, we meet up in person, we go out to dinner, lunch, whatever. We talk trading, we help you get the real results, and we help you elevate and level up. So Manuel, everybody, I need more people around the globe joining the Legacy Wealth Society members because I need to have members in all these places so I can come visit. I need a place to go in May. We may be in Vegas. Who knows where we're going to be? Excuse me. Yeah, just needs all up in your faces. Let me take that off. But welcome everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying tonight. Oh, thank you, BP. Do you do stocks too? I do, but only like I don't actively trade them. I buy the dips, I sell the rips type deal. I do long-term holds, but I day trade the NASDAQ futures. Hey, let's go, Manuel. It's been working for you, bro. I'm happy for it. That makes me happy, bro. The fact that you've been using the strategy and it's been working for you, I told you, it's easy. Come to Poland, bro. I would love to. I would love to come to Poland, bro. Jump into the community. It's free to join. And you gotta stay active. That's the whole thing, right? I'm not just pulling up to a whole country if you're not active in like the streams, everything like that. You gotta be active here, folks. If you're active in these hangouts, in the morning streams, everything like that, I'm coming to see you. Because I wanna meet you in person, I wanna shake your hand, I wanna see what's going right for your trade, what's going wrong, so I can help you level up and go to the next level. Do you swing trade? I do not swing trade. I mainly trade with prop firms, so you can't swing trade with prop firms, but when I'm trading my personal funds, I still don't swing trade. Like I said, I do long-term holds. Rising. Dang, we hit over 2,000 views tonight on a Tuesday. It goes up on a Tuesday. That was that song, right? Okay, just checking.
Tried to reference the song when you did that.
It just popped into my mind.
Catch it either.
It just popped in my mind. Do you try scalping? Yes, I do scalp with my strategy a lot, actually. Jay Carlos, I just, don't ask me why I like saying Jay Carlos all together like that, I just do. I trade the New York session live Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. 9:20 a.m. Eastern, we go live for the morning trading sessions. But remind you, for those morning streams, those streams, I'm dialed in. I'm trying to execute printing money each and every day in the markets. So I am interacting with you guys in the chat, but you'll hear other voices on the stream with me. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society market makers. So they get a private Zoom call with me where they're able to ask me questions live when I'm in the markets. So you will hear other voices ask me questions and I will answer those. You'll hear those answers. But 9:20 a.m. Eastern is when we go live in the mornings, Monday through Friday, helping you guys win in the markets, making smonnies. Yes, we make smonnies, not money. We make smonnies here, folks. Hopefully you can make some with us as well. Huh? What's up, brother? Good evening. Hey, have a good night, Warrior. See you in the morning, brother. Good meeting you this evening. Warrior was part of the builders tonight for the training. So he got to see my full strategy, everything like that, some new understanding. And we're going to make sure he's winning the markets. He's already up for tonight as well, but we're going to make sure he's continue to print. I honestly want to say this is probably one of our larger streams for a Tuesday. No, I have not. No, I've literally been streaming, meeting, streaming, everything, you know what I'm saying, today. All right, we got 6 more minutes. I'll be jumping off here, folks. 6 more minutes and I'll be jumping off. I gotta go get my queen some McDonald's. Hey, Tim, what's up, bro? Bro, I may be coming to see you next month. Get ready, bro. Vegas.
Oh, hell yeah.
Britta was like, where he at? Hey, oh, yeah, hell yeah, we going. You are more experienced. Is there a way that you can explain why most traders play only on one session? Oh, Tim, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Brent, have a good night, brother. Have a good day tomorrow, fam. I've been trading for a year and 9 months. In a couple days, it'll mark a year and 10 months. Oh, that sucks, bro. Sorry to hear that, bro. You'll bounce back, bro. You'll bounce back. Zig, have a good night if you're still here. Back to Ron. As a trader, right? As a trader, you have to see what works best for you. You have to learn what works best for you. And once you see what works, what sessions, everything like that, that's what you stick to. You don't trade outside of those times because you found what works for you. Because you don't fix it if it ain't broke. You know what I'm saying? So that comes to trading. Trading is very, very personal. Some strategies won't work for everybody. Some time frames won't work for everybody. Some trading sessions won't work for everybody. You have to find what works best for you and execute in that time frame. And that's the whole thing, right? So for me personally, I print the most for the New York session. So I'm not going to change that. Carlos, jump in the community, bro. It will keep you dialed. It will freaking keep you on track, fam. So right there, we just printed a bull flag. That's the bull flag right there. Let me bring that line just a little bit higher up. Well, that's the bull flag. All right, we got time for like 2 more questions. Time for 2 more questions tonight. Let me know in the chat below because I'm gonna have to jump off here. I know I want to keep streaming with y'all. I want to keep vibing with y'all, but your boy has to get some freaking sleep. I got to execute in the morning with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got to execute. And with that being said, tomorrow morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, we're back live once again on YouTube, printing money with y'all. Printing. So make sure. No, I don't eat McDonald's. I'm not eating McDonald's. My girl wants McDonald's, not me.
Yeah, don't ask why, because it's random.
Yeah, my girl gets random sometimes. Have a good night, J. Carlos. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. So you don't forget tomorrow, hit that like button for your dog and hit that sub button because we're trying to hit 3K subs. 3K subs within like the next week here, and we will be giving away a brand new trading desk. So if you want to possibly win a trading desk, you got to hit that sub button so we could get there. Ron, it wouldn't surprise me at this point, bro. It honestly would not surprise me. Anything is freaking possible, but I don't eat McDonald's like that, so I'm not concerned. No, human meat. At McDonald's. Not BP saying yum. Someone in the chat, baby. Huh? No. I would eat your mother. That's crazy. Yeah, don't play with Brenda's McDonald's right now. She said she'll eat your mother. You know what I'm saying? Like, trust me, she getting her McDonald's. Manuel, have a good night, brother. Stay safe in the markets, fam. BP, have a good night. I'll check you in the morning, bro. Jump on the call in the morning, bro. Stop holding out. Oh, my man. Bon appetit, Duane girl. Listen, she's ready. She's like waiting for me in the stream so I could go pick it up for her. Oh, close enough. Close enough. All right, family. It's 11. It's been a pleasure like always. Hopefully you enjoyed tonight's Traders Hangout. We do this thing every night of the week, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna be trading tomorrow morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, live with you guys once again. Stay safe in the markets for everyone that's currently trading, and I will catch y'all in the morning. Be blessed. Your boy's out. Deuces. Let me not fall in the pool. That would be bad. I know. This is what I do, baby. So when I end the stream, I get up, I walk away, I come grab these lights, right? And the people are still like in there just like, oh, what's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Like one of those. That's crazy. That's kind of crazy. I'm black, I don't know how to swim. That's a joke. I definitely know how to swim. I need to quit. Turn off the greens. I'm trying to. Bro, I'm trying. I'm trying to turn off the screen. Hold on.